Hello guys, good afternoon. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. As you all know, my name is Dr. Joseph. As you're watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now, we are in the part 2 of exam likely questions on Phylum Porifera. In the previous video, we treated question 1 to 13. So today we'll be taking question 14 to 26. Please subscribe so that when I upload a new content, you will be notified by YouTube. Let's get started. Which of these regulates the rates of water flow into the sponge body? Which of these regulates the rate of water flow into the sponge body? The answer is the myocyte. The myocyte regulates the rates at which water enters into the body of the sponge. I told us in our previous class that when the pinacocyte is contractile, you call it what? Myocyte. The answer is A. Which of these are ovoid cells bearing the flagella and surrounded by collar cells? Which of these are ovoid cells bearing the flagella and surrounded by the collar cells? The answer is the choanocyte. The choanocytes are ovoid cells bearing the flagella and surrounded by the collar cells. They may ask you, the specialized cells that surround the choanocyte are called dash. They are called what? Collar cells. Now these collar cells enhances feeding. It supports feeding. Take note of that. The special cells that surround the choanocyte are called collar cells. Or they may ask, which of the following is collar cells are peculiar to which of the following? The same thing. The answer is what? Choanocyte. Number 16, which of these is associated with feeding? Yes, I explained just now. The answer is what? Choanocyte. The collar cells present in the choanocyte helps it to what? Feed on food particles, all right? Number 17, which of these are amoeboid, phagocytic, and does the work of digestion? Which of these are amoeboid, phagocytic, and does the work of digestion? The answer is archaeocytes. The archaeocytes are amoeboid, they are phagocytic, and they carry out the process of what? Digestion from the choanocytes. Number 18, that secretes spicules. All right, the answer is sclerocyte. Let me give you hints on this part. Just make it S squared. S squared, because question 18, 19, 20, and 21 are confusing. All right, they are confusing. So just use the acronym S squared, which means sclerocytes secrete spicules. So the answer is what? B. Sclerocytes secrete spicules. S squared. Then question 19, that secretes spongin fibers. From the word spongocyte, that already tells you it is what? Spongin, okay? Spongin fibers are secreted by spongocyte, all right? Now, number 20, that secrete fibrillar collagen. Collagen, just make it C squared. That secrete fibrillar collagen, C squared. The answer is what? Colencyte. The colencyte secrete fibrillar collagen. They cannot ask which of the following secrete fibrillar. No, they must add that collagen, because the collagen is a major entity. It's actually what? Secretes. So S squared, C squared, then spongin, which is SPO. You now have spongocyte, all right? The same thing. Number 21, that secrete large quantities of collagen and are morphologically different from the colencyte. The word large, the first alphabet is what? L. So the answer is what? Lymphocyte. The lymphocyte secretes large quantities of collagen and are morphologically different from the colencyte. So the answer is what? Lymphocyte. Number 23. Which of these is true about sponges? Which of these is true about sponges? Intracellular digestion is actually correct. Excretion and respiration are by diffusion, which is very, very correct because they do not have excretory and respiratory organ, all right, which means that excretion and respiration is via diffusion. C, absence of nervous system. Sure, they do not have nervous system. And also take note of the fact that sponges do not have sense organs. They do not have tissues. So the answer is what? All of the above. Number 23, the major waste product of sponges is ammonia. Ammonia is the major waste product of sponges. Ammonia. Oh, I would have, okay, this is A, B, C. The answer would have been C. That's a mistake. So the answer is what? Ammonia. Number 24. Which of these contains all three skeletal materials? Which of these contains all skeletal materials? Whenever you see this kind of question, use S squared as well. Skeleton begins with what? S. Then sclerospongia begins with what? S. So sclerospongia contains all the three skeletal what? Materials. Number 25. The spicules of sponges are found in the middle layer. They are found in the middle layer, and spicules in sponges are forms of what? Skeleton. Please, the form of skeleton found in sponges are called what? Spicules. Take note of that. 26, which is the last question. The special cells that surround the pores of poriferans are called porocytes. The porocytes are these specialized cells that surround the pores of poriferans. What are pores? Pores are like openings. That's why they are called sponges. All right, water can actually pass through their body surface. All right, so please take note that the archaeocyte is actually differentiated into colencyte, spongocyte, sclerocyte, and lymphocyte. So at this point, we'll call it a day. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment.